Hi everyone. So now that the token costs are going through the roof, that means all your subscriptions are skyrocketing, right? And you gotta pay $20 for everything. That's just crazy, bonkers, right? Next thing is let's download Ollama. Ollama helps you run your models locally on your machine. You need a bit of GPU for sure for them to run. In the event that you don't have a GPU, you can still run them, but they're a little slower right now. We have an option for it also where you can run the cloud models as well, right? Having said that, I have navigated to ollama.com. Here I'm copying this command and navigating to my terminal and I'd say clear. I'll put it on my terminal and say enter. I had already installed it in the past, so it is stopping that instance and it is downloading Ollama for me again, installing it into applications. So it is saying it is installed and it is running now. You'd see it at the top here. But first I'll quit it and I will navigate to applications and launch from there. So this is the guy which looks like llama. So Ollama. And be aware that llama and Ollama are two different things, but that is for a later video. So if you see here, this is the screen that it looks like, and in here I have this different models available. The ones that have a cloud icon in front of it are the cloud models, which are there on the Ollama cloud. That means Ollama has a machine where it is running and you can connect to it. So if I click here, say hi, right now it is running for me in the Ollama server, right? That's why it's that fast. But I have a locally downloaded version also, let's say Gamma 4E4B. If I say hi to it, it's going to take longer because it is running on my machine, my local machine. It would take that model, it will fit it into memory, and thereafter it would try to give me answers to whatever I'm asking, right? Now, hereafter, uh, one thing was downloading Ollama for different OSs. We have just seen for Mac. If you had to do it for Windows, if you navigate to ollama.com, you see this link. There below it, you see the download Ollama. Click on it, and you are able to see the different versions. You can download the DMG file also. So if you see at the bottom left, uh, here it is saying ollama.dmg, right? Now I can navigate into Linux. It shows me the same script, shell script. And inside the shell script, it is able to determine whether it is a Mac or a Linux, right? If you navigate to Windows, it shows you a IRM link. What this does is you can run this on a PowerShell, and I would advise to run the PowerShell as an admin. So go to your start, search for PowerShell, right click on it, run as administrator and copy paste this command, right? Or you can download it as a installer as a Ollama setup.exe if you see here, right? Okay, that is pretty much about this. Thank you. Thanks everyone.